Today, we'll explore a brand new feature in Google Cloud called PlaySpaces. We'll dive into the Google Cloud Console to understand this innovative concept and see how it works. Let's start by talking about Vertex AI, which is like a supermarket for artificial intelligence. It offers many AI tools for different stages of machine learning projects. One of the most interesting parts of Vertex AI is the Model Garden. This is where you can find both open source and proprietary models. For example, you can access popular open source models like Meta's Llama. You can also use Google's own models such as Palm or Gemini. The Model Garden lets you do many things with these models, like fine-tuning them for specific tasks or deploying them for use. Now let's talk about PlaySpaces, the new feature we're focusing on today. PlaySpaces allows you to run these AI models or other machine learning setups using a service called Cloud Run. This might sound complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down. The application is set up using a system called Gradio. Gradio is an application framework designed especially for machine learning. It's similar to Jupyter Notebooks, which you might be familiar with, but it's made specifically for creating interactive AI applications. The result of using PlaySpaces in Gradio is that you get user-friendly applications that you or your users can easily interact with. These applications let you test and explore the AI models in a visual, hands-on way. Now let's see how this works in practice. We'll go to the Google Cloud Console and look at the Vertex AI Model Garden. We'll focus on the Llama 3.2 model as an example. After agreeing to the license terms, we'll see a notebook that we can use to explore the model and even deploy it to Vertex AI endpoints. The exciting part comes next. At the bottom of the model page, you'll see a special button for launching a PlaySpace. When we click this button, we're given the option to manage the PlaySpace in Cloud Run. Cloud Run is a Google Cloud service that lets us run our applications easily. We'll need to allow pop-ups in our browser for this to work smoothly. After clicking the button, we wait for a couple of minutes. During this time, Google Cloud is setting up a public endpoint for our application. You'll know everything is ready when you see a green checkmark appear. Once the checkmark is there, we can access our new endpoint. This opens up the Gradio interface, which gives us a multimodal way to interact with the Llama 3.2 model. Multimodal means we can interact with the model using different types of input like text and images. To test out our new PlaySpace, let's try something interesting. We'll ask the AI model to interpret a picture of the James Webb Space Telescope. This is a great way to see how well the model can understand and describe images. However, we might run into a small hurdle here. Sometimes we need to activate the model for use on the back end before we can use it in our PlaySpace. If this happens, don't worry. We just need to go back to the Model Garden and enable the Llama 3.2 API service. Once we've done that, we can try our image interpretation again. This time, the model should give us an impressive description of the James Webb Space Telescope image. It might mention details like the primary mirror and that the telescope is in a clean room. This showcases the power of this open source model and the Gradio application we've set up. It's important to note that while this PlaySpace is publicly accessible, which is great for experimenting and showcasing, you should be careful about leaving it running for too long. When you're done using a PlaySpace, it's a good idea to delete it to avoid any unexpected charges on your Google Cloud account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, consider starting a free trial of our new design tool, which is linked in the description, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please enjoy responsibly.